So you're gonna get the moon.
Okay.
Can I get a yes?
Okay. One. Come on. One,
Get
two,
that
three.
moon with the lasso.
I got it.
You got it?
Already?
Cool.
Look.
What color is the moon?
It tastes like Tingalo.
What's a tingalo?
I gotta grab a yellow moon.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, catch the moon again.
No, pull it.
Pull it.
Come on, Dad, I need some help.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, big pull.
I got it. I got it.
What does this one taste like? I bet it tastes like cheese.
No.
Really?
No, it tastes like orange.
It's yellow. How could it taste like orange?
Because it makes
Dad, your argument isn't valid because I have a Batman mask.